Infamous Joel here. God damn it, I hardly ever go live off my profile. But I'm going live off my profile today because I feel like everyone on planet Earth needs to hear this message today. They need to hear about this right here, right now. So check this out. We're going to go over exactly how you get your first $1,000 in affiliate marketing. I say within the next 30 days, if not 60 days, if you have a lot of other things going on, you have kids, you have family, you have work, you have other, I understand all that, okay? But it shouldn't be all that hard to get your first $1,000. Here is the biggest problem. I mean, I see a lot of problems with beginners, okay? I see a lot of problems, a lot of misinformation. I don't blame them. I don't blame you. I don't blame me. I don't blame anybody. There's a lot of freaking gurus going around making everything sound super easy peasy keezy. Now, here's the thing. A lot of these gurus just want you to promote their stuff. That's why they're saying the things that they're saying. It's super easy. Just get started. Start running ads. Just send it to this landing page. Blah, blah, blah. Because ultimately, they're the ones who are going to be making all the money. You're going to be putting in all the work. And you're going to exhaust yourself and say, holy crap, this is hard. This is taking too long. I'm spending a bunch of money. I'm not getting any results. So, we're going to talk about how you, and why the infamous Joel, I've been there, I've done that, I understand. I used to fall for all the tricks. I used to sign up for all the trainings. I used to sign up for all the courses and everything like that. Started realizing, wait a minute, the guru's making all the money and I'm not. Okay? So, I'm going to tell you and break things down to you right here in this live training from my profile. What it is you need to do from day one in your affiliate marketing business so that you can secure yourself for a strong financial future. You can start making $1,000 your first month, $2,000, $3,000. Okay, it's very simple. And here's what I see as a big problem. Give me the hashtag live, hashtag replay, and let me know when you're watching this. I see some people logged on. You already said, hey, how you doing, guys? So here's a big problem. See, people get into affiliate marketing. I'm going to draw my typical stick figures here. And this was even me. I get into affiliate marketing. I'm like, oh my God, there's so much opportunity out here. You can make this much money. You can make that much money. I want to sign up for anything and everything and follow everyone, right? So you get all excited, and whatever the hell these gurus tell you to promote, you just start promoting it. It's like, oh my God, look at all this stuff I can promote. I can promote ClickFunnels. We're going to use ClickFunnels as an example, okay? We're going to use Builderall. I use these examples all the time because these are tools and people fall in love with these tools because it's like, wow, they're so useful. They're so amazing. And they are. They're good tools. Okay, we're going to get to that in a second, but I'm going to show you what you're doing wrong. We talk about Kartra. You know, I'm not a huge fan of one or the other. I'm not telling you which one to get. Get whichever the hell one you want. That's not the point of this training. I'm going to show you how to use money no matter, or how to make money no matter which one you're using. Okay? Stop thinking that it's the tool. They say, oh my God, that one's great. That's the one that I'm going to, I'm going to promote this one. I'm going to make a crap ton of money. Okay. So you start promoting all this stuff and replace this with whatever you want. Replace this with courses, mentorship, high ticket programs, low ticket program. I don't care what the hell it is that you're promoting. And I've said this a million times, but what you don't realize is the business is actually you. And we're actually going to go deeper into that inside of this quick training here. I'm going to go deeper into that of what I mean exactly by the business is you. Give me a comment down below. Tell me, what do I mean by that? If you know, if you don't know, please give me your opinion. What do I mean by the business is you? Okay? While I take a swig of my water. Oh crap, never mind, it's empty. Yeah, I'm trying to get off this coffee stuff because I had like a nervous breakdown yesterday. I drank way too much coffee. So, listen. What do I mean by the business is you? Tell me down below. Right? Here's what I mean. I'm going to reveal it to you right now. Affiliate marketing is not a business. Well, the way it's been manipulated over the last few years, the way the whole thing's been twisted, it's turned into this weird like MLM, like I sign you up, you sign me up, everybody gets people under them. It's weird, like this weird business opportunity thing that you see in the back of a magazine now. It's some schemy, scammy, weird stuff. Okay? That's what the state of affiliate marketing today, because of the gurus that rose to prominence and convinced people how great this opportunity is. What you need to understand is that affiliate marketing is not a business. It's not. Okay? It's not a business. Listen to the actual words being used. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. Put those two words together. You are an affiliate. You do marketing. Okay? What it really is it's a monetization strategy. Monetization strategy. It's a way for you to make extra income from your business. Now, some people use it as their primary income source. That's fine too. But understand that it's your business. So let's see. What are we talking about when we're talking about this, right? What's going on? What are you doing wrong? You're worried about the actual tools, right? Let's draw our little stick figure guy again. You're worried about the tools, the programs, the products, the things that you're promoting, and you're making it out in your head to be that's the business. Well, actually, what you really need to be doing is you really need to be focused on the fact that you are the business, right? And what you're actually targeting, what your actual focus is not the tools, not the courses, not the stuff that you're selling. It's the audience. It's the audience. This is what people are not doing in affiliate marketing. They're not being specific about their audience. So let's say you're promoting Builderall, ClickFunnels, one of those tools, right? Funnel building tools. Let's say that's what you're doing. Well, who are you talking to? Who is your audience? What is your business really about? Who do you serve? Who do you help? What happens is a lot of affiliate marketers start learning marketing skills and techniques and affiliate marketing, take courses, mentorship, and that's all they do. They just promote other people to buy into the thing that they already bought to. But it's like, okay, let's say you're promoting ClickFunnels. Well, who would find ClickFunnels useful? Be specific. Let's say we're targeting local business owners. Okay, let's do that. Let's go local. Local brick and mortar, right? B&M. Brick and mortar business owners. Okay, why would they need ClickFunnels? They don't know what a sales funnel is. They don't have much of an online presence. They don't see the benefit. They don't understand it. That's where you come in. That's where you, as an affiliate of ClickFunnels, comes in. You educate them. You show them what difference would this make, right? Using ClickFunnels in my business, right? Local business owners, brick and mortar. Let's go even deeper. Let's go a dentist, if I can draw a D. A dentist, right? We'll go even deeper. A local business owner, a brick and mortar business owner in your local area. Maybe it's a dentist, right? Let's get specific here. That's what a lot of affiliate marketers don't do. They don't get specific. Who do I serve? A dentist. I went to dentistry school. I dropped out. I know a thing or two about that industry. Just make sure whatever it, I'm not saying me, I'm just saying an example, right? Let's say whatever it is that you're promoting, whoever it is that you're helping, you have some experience in that area, okay? It's a local dentist. What do you help them do, right? What is their need? What is their pain right now? They paying for website, right? They're paying like $5,000 a month to run a website. They're not getting much traffic to that website. They're not getting much business from that website. They're also paying for Google Ads and all this other stuff. So do you see how we identified who it is we're actually serving? Now we've realized we ourselves are the business. I'm the expert. I know how to build sales funnels. I use ClickFunnels. I want them to use ClickFunnels so I can use my affiliate link so they can sign up. I can assist them, right? You don't need Google Ads and all this other stuff. I'll show you how to do organic marketing, maybe with a Facebook group or a Facebook profile, okay? You're a dentist. I know some of the needs of your audience and how to write copy and things like that. You are in service of others. But the problem is so many affiliates get started, they get attracted by all the big money they can make, and they don't stop to think, okay, who am I actually going to serve? And they start serving everybody. They're like, well, everybody and their grandma wants, ClickFunnels, Builderall, whatever. What's going to happen is you're going to go to this busy intersection and you're just going to say, hey, everybody, right? That's the internet. Everybody, come over here. Look at this beautiful, wonderful thing I have. Everybody on the planet. And nobody's going to hear you. Nobody. It's going to fall on deaf ears. Nobody's going to pay any attention because you're not calling out specifically who you're talking to. Let's say we're going after gamers, right? Streaming, gaming, services is a big thing. This is one that I actually told my brother was a good idea because he's a gamer. So they're going on Twitch. They're doing YouTube streaming. They're doing Mixer, all these other programs where they're streaming video games. They're playing video games and they're, trying to build up an audience and a following. Well, maybe they don't know anything about sales funnels. They don't know about how to give away ebooks and build an email list. They don't know any of that stuff. They don't know marketing, right? They know how to play video games. They're engaging. They have good personality. They can build an audience, but they don't know marketing. They're leaving a lot of money on the table, right? But they don't know that. That's where you come in. The affiliate marketer comes in and says, hey, I can show you how to actually make more money from what you're doing. How? This thing called sales funnels. Sign up here with this ClickFunnels, this Builderall, this thing. Sign up for the One Funnel Away Challenge, the other training, whatever the hell. And I can actually come in and assist you. I can show you how to do all this. That's it. But people are just not, you're not being targeted. You're not figuring out who it is I actually serve. What problem do I solve? I can guarantee you, no matter who you are, no matter what walk of life you're from, I'm from prison, right? A former criminal, drug addict, alcoholic, a nutcase. I'm still kind of a nutcase, but all these things, right? And I still figured out who my audience was. And to me, it's 9 to 5, blue collar, construction kind of worker, kind of person, sick of their job, sick of their boss, pissed off at the world. I relate to those people. Hey, I'm an expert at that because I'm pissed off at the world too. But figure out who it is you are so that you can figure out who it is you serve. Okay? Who are you? Who can you serve? What problem can you solve? It's not the tools. It's not the courses. It's not your mentor. It's not, I don't give a fuck what it is you're out there trying to sell. That's not the business. The business is you. The business is you. What value do you add and to whom? Who can you help? That's it. Once you get specific about who you help, the business is super easy. The money will just come in through the back door like nothing. You'll just be sleeping and be like, oh my God, another person's interested in this thing that I solve. Easy. But no one coming in is very specific because, I really don't blame them too much. I fell for it too. But there's a lot of misconceptions. There's a lot of, people just talking a bunch of bullshit. And I blame a lot of gurus. You guys know how much I feel about the gurus and like all their, hey, make money fast now. And they're on a jet ski and stuff. They're selling you a dream. They're trying to sell you their thing. That's all that is. Okay. And when you get into their program, they're going to tell you to sell their stuff. Okay. That's all that is. It's just some weird MLM thing. That's not affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is, like I said, a monetization strategy based off what you already do. What you already do. You're helping that dentist. You're helping those gamers. You're helping these people. All you're doing is recommending the tools that they need to do the thing that you're trying to teach them to do. Okay? Trying to teach the gamer how to build his email list, how to sell some ebooks and some, tips and tricks and maybe a little course for the gamer or whatever. Some meet and greet thing. I don't know. Whatever, right? You can help these people in so many different ways, and all you're really making sales from is your recommendations. It's simple as that. I don't know how many other times I can say it, how many ways I can say it, right? Next time I go live, I'm going to speak Chinese because it's like it just falls on deaf ears. Everybody, I meet people every single day, and I'm like, well, who do you serve? They're like, I don't know, people that like Builderall. I'm like, who are these people? What, what does that mean exactly? I don't know what that means. But I digress. I'm going to let you guys go. There was a lot of people coming in here, leaving comments and stuff. Let me read through them before I go. Give me the hashtag mob if you're in the mob. I see some mobsters already. I see Ada. She's a mobster. I see people, from all walks of life. There goes Sino. You are the byproduct of what you're selling. You sell yourself. I love that, Sino. I hope I'm saying your name right. I think it's Sino. I hope so. But that's exactly right. That's the right way to say it. You are the business. This is 2021 now. If I look at my skin watch here, 2021, right? This is a new age where everybody on planet Earth has a potential business inside them. I found it, and it was not easy, right? I tried to be everybody but myself, right? When I first started, I said, "Oh my God, I don't have a suit, and I don't speak properly, and I curse a lot, and oh, nobody's ever gonna listen to me. I'm so scared," right? Right? We all think we have to be like the flashy guru. We all think that we have to be like that person. Right? We all think that there's a template or a certain way you're supposed to act or walk or talk. And then we get scared and we never get started. I understand. I've been there. I've been there. I've procrastinated. I've, done a million hours of research trying to figure out, okay, what's the right way to do this stuff? There is no right way. Just go. You're the business. It's you. Get yourself out there. Get people to know, like, and trust you. Figure out who you serve and what you do for them. And that's it. That's it. The money is secondary. The business builds off your back, off your work, what you do for people. And that's all there is to it. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.